In this video we're going to take a look at these Hornady SST shotgun slugs. And here's the shell itself. So now let's cut one of these open and check out what's inside. Alright, we got one cut open now. And here's our sabot. And underneath that must be a gas seal. And here's our gas seal. And our powder underneath it. So first up, let's just measure our sabot. We're getting about 0.731 inches, or 0.732. And the length, including the tip of the projectile, 1.385 inches. So what about the weight of the sabot? 380.6 grains, 18.8 grains, and our powder charge, 40.8 grains. And here's a closer look at the powder. Now let's try and take the projectile out of the sabot. And here's our SST slug projectile. Let's get measurements on it. Its diameter is coming in at 0.499 of an inch. And the length, 0.935. And the weight of just the projectile, 298.7 grains. So what about the length of just the sabot alone? 1.34 inches. And I forgot, let's just check the overall length of some shells real quick. 2.404, 2.404, 2.403, and 2.402. So that's the overall length of those 4 shells. Just one more thing I can think of to do. Let's check the overall weight of the shells. 551.5, 551.6, 551.3, and 548.1. So most of them were almost nearly identical in weight, but something to note about this one that was slightly less heavy. It's kind of wobbly. You can feel something wobbling around in there, but with these ones you can't. So I don't know what's causing that. Maybe this one just has slightly less powder, so it's not as full, giving it a little bit of wiggle room. But these 3 were almost identical, and this one's a little wobbly and slightly less heavy. So that's definitely a pretty cool slug. Can't wait to do some tests with these. But anyways, that's all for the Hornady SST Sabot Slug analysis video. We have just about a 300 grain slug, propelled by just over 40 grains of powder. And if there's any other kind of shells you guys want to see broken down like this, let me know. And as always, thanks for watching.